kids, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a neon Tasmanian tiger that's in Adopt Me and a mega neon one. So let's start. And I know that I don't have neon colors, so I'm just going to use regular colors. So let's do the same that we did on the regular one. First, let's draw the eyes. This time, it's going to face on the right. So first we are going to draw the left eye. Let's draw the right eye. Make a line and a curve. It will take long if I tell you a lot. Let's make the same nose. Let's make the same nose. Sorry, it's okay if you make mistakes, and it's okay if it's not usually. Let's make it a little bigger, and this time outside. Let's make the eyes a little bigger. There, good. Now let's make the chin now. Okay, now we're going to make the same body. Do it like this. And the Adopt Me oval body. Okay, there. Let's make the tail next. And now the stripes. Okay, now the body of the stripes. There, let's make the feet. There. Now let's color the neon one in. So first we're going to make the neon one. So let's make the inside one. Oh, we forgot the line of the triangle. So first we're going to burn the triangle brown. There. So let's color the inside ears pink. If you want to make it neon, you can just make zigzags like it's the sun. That's still what I'm going to do the same. Now let's color the ears. There. Let's color the ears first. The outside ears first. Orange. Okay, so the Adopt Me Neon Tasmanian Tiger is done. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you like this video and thumbs up if you like it. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye!